Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I will show you how to remove and replace the battery on a 2006 Chevy Impala. This video applies to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2016. Okay, so your battery is located on the passenger side of the engine compartment, just here under this black bar, so it's pretty obvious. In order to pull it out, you will have to remove this black bar, so you can pretty much wiggle it out and lift it up. Okay, this bar is held by two 13mm screws on this side and one 13mm screw on this side. Now you might want to use a bit of WD-40 if you have some, because these screws can get rusted and then they are pretty hard to turn. Yeah, I really hope yours won't be as rusted as mine. That WD-40 really saved me this time. Yeah, once you have this out, you can actually just move this to the side. You don't even have to remove it completely. This will give you enough space. Then the next thing you want to do is loosen up the battery terminals. The negative one, it's a 10mm, and the positive one here, also 10mm. And once you've loosened them up, then just wiggle them and lift them up. And once you do that, there is also a battery holder down there, but first we have to get rid of these wires so we can access it. Okay, so I've loosened up mine, so I will show you now. Just wiggle it until you can get them off. Now sometimes these guys like to really stick, then you will have to use something like a flat screwdriver to try and pry it underneath to get it to move. Mine are not too bad, luckily. Okay, nice and easy. Okay, and then, like I said, you will have a 13mm screw right here. That's the battery holder, which has to be removed in order to remove that battery. That holder is here, so while you drive, the battery is steady and it doesn't move. And this is a quite long screw, so just take your time until you can get it out. Okay, here it is. Okay. And this is your battery holder. Okay, and that is pretty much it. Now the battery is completely loose and you can wiggle it out. If you still for some reason can't pull it out because this hose might still be on your way, or this fuse box cover, you can also remove the cover just by pulling onto this clip here, and there is one on the other side as well. That will give you a bit more space, but I believe you can just turn it sideways here and lift it straight up. Yeah, see, like this, and then just again trying to work with one hand. Sorry about that, I had to use both of my hands, but if you turn it sideways like this, you can just pretty much then lift it straight up. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.